Hey guys, welcome to our channel. I'm glad to have you here today. Today I'm going to show you guys how I clean my poultry farm. This is my small poultry farm. I run a very small farm of 50 birds due to the space I have here just at the back of my yard, and I want to ensure the smell doesn't go out because I take really good care of it. Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to clean your poultry farm. If you look at this farm now, though the camera did not show it very well, the place is damp. These birds are about just close to 2 weeks. They are 12 days old birds. If you look at the ground, it's damp. Sorry, the camera cannot show it very well. Of course, it's recommended that the beddings be removed in a space of 3 weeks, but this is not a perfect way to do it. I don't think there's any room to that. Alright, I remove my own once they are dirty and damp. Alright, so but I don't think there's any room to it. Once it's dirty and it's smelling, I think it's due to be changed. So that's my own rule about it. I had earlier changed this in less than 1 week, and now I'm changing it in the 12th day, and I'm going to change it again maybe before it's 3 weeks or about that time, once I sense that it's dirty again. Alright, so let's get to it. This is how I clean it. First of all, remove remove the beddings. Of course, I made it with carton. Just like I'm doing now. Once I remove it, I'll just start placing a new one on top of it. You can see how I push the beds the other side. Alright. Okay, so now you can see that the place is clean, comfy, cozy for the beds. Alright, that's it. Now let me quickly show you how I take care of the feeder and the drinkers. Of course, I wash them. I have to take you through that just now. Okay, just look at it. You have to scrub it very well. Yeah, that's how I do it. Just follow through the video. Oh, I didn't take a video of the drinkers, how I wash them. Of course, I wash them thoroughly because sometimes they'll be dirty, and allowing the chicks to be eating with those dirty things it could infect them with one sickness or the other. To surprise you that from the day 1 till this 12th day, I have not had any mortality. Right? Okay, so success in poultry business stems from 1, keeping the poultry farm clean, no matter the number of beds you have. You have only 2 beds and then the farm is not clean, that could lead to disease and eventually death of the birds. Alright, so that is it. So this is how I run it and make sure they are clean. In my next video, I'm going to show you how my poultry farm looks, because this is just a miniature view of it. I've not showed you the entire building, the entire pen, how it looks. Alright, okay, you have a lovely day, and do well to subscribe and hit the notification button. Thanks for watching, and see you soon next. Alright, have a lovely day.